Exactly where I found her yesterday. Was trying to get in that bag right there, that big black one, with her head stuck in it. She was doing everything. And then she disappeared in the darkness. And then I heard her making lots of noise in this dumpster. So last night this garbage went all the way to the top. And yeah. Almost had her there, but believe it or not, even though she couldn't see, she jumped out the other side, which I didn't think she would. You learn a lot when you do rescue work. Okay, so I just caught her. She didn't struggle too much. I came up from behind and pretty much just grabbed her. Very scared. This plastic thing on her head. Very skinny, emaciated. Aww. Little girl. Little girl. Aww. It's okay, baby. I'm gonna take you back and get that off your head. Back to my truck. A horrible dump in the background. This is where I hung out last night today. But it's New Year's Day. Yay. I just couldn't have a very good day not knowing she was here. Okay, so here she is back at Rocky Mount Animal Rescue Sanctuary. And this is one of my favorite volunteers, Corey, who's holding her, and he came to help me get this container off her head. So Corey has this cutting tool that's strong enough to cut thick plastic. So he's making notches around her neck, and Tiger's investigating. But it's doing the trick. Aw, hello, baby. Is that better to have that off you? Oh, so they're meeting. She's eating her first bowl of food. I have to get her some more. She's very hungry. Cat's hungry too. Well, not that he's really hurting for any food, but. Aw. Okay, we'll get you some more. I'm so happy right now I got this girl. I was actually planning on spending half the night because I felt so bad. Oh, a dead dog in the trash. Starved. Oh, I feel so bad. But we got one. Here's our newest little arrival. It's in a pen in the living room. She's sleeping, feeling safe and warm, and big bowl of food, and content, and can breathe better and see. But she's clearly content right now. So I'm gonna tell her good night.